Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Sonata guys and you're trying to find the fuse for your headlights, automatic headlights. Stay with us, we'll explain where that fuse is located, how to replace it and all that stuff because it's very hidden fuse. There is a trick about removing that fuse and we're going to explain about that as we go. Before we start, let me tell you, if you need to buy any parts, tools, replacement fuses, all that guys, we'll share the link in the description of the video below where you can get all that for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make guys at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now, with that being said, let me tell you guys, the plan here at the shop is to make at least 200 videos, electrical videos guys, diagnostic videos on this channel. They'll be published on the channel you're watching now, Electrical Car Repair Live, and we'll have more than 300 mechanical videos published on our main YouTube channel, Auto Repair guys. We'll be taking the whole car apart practically guys, and you will be able to find these videos on our main YouTube channel, Auto Repair guys. We have helped more than 100 million people, so please check it out guys. Our mission, okay, is to save you as much money as we can. With that being said, okay, this is a 2013 Hyundai Sonata. Headlights right here if you have automatic headlights, okay, or you're trying to find where that fuse for the headlights is located. Let me show you. You have guys that fuse cover, how you're going to actually open it. Right here you have one tab, you need to push in, one on this side, then you need to come up, okay, just like that. And let me show you what we need to do here guys. We need to get the fuse puller, which is located right there. Squish in, pull it out, okay, just like that. After that we need to get inside the vehicle, okay, and show you where exactly that fuse is located. So if you open the door, okay, and I'm talking about the headlight fuse guys, right? Again, you come next to the steering wheel. Right here you have one cover that says fuses. Open it like that, okay, and now that's where things get interesting. We need to find the fuse that we need guys. So if you look at it this way, okay, let me show you now the fuse that we need. Okay, let me focus quick so I can show you better. Okay, it's that 10 fuse, okay, right here in that holder. That 10 fuse, that's the one that we need to check. How you guys remove it? Okay, you pull it out a little bit, then squish in, pull more. So that's what I'll do. Okay, and let me show you how we did that now. So the fuse is right here. Okay, that's what the fuse holder looks like. You pull it a little bit out to where you can get your fingers on these tabs. Okay, you press in and you pull out more. This is the fuse. Inspect it guys, at 10 fuse. Okay, if you don't know for sure if it's burned or not, sometimes you can see if the element is burned or broken. I'll recommend we have a special video that explains how to test the fuse guys, and it takes only a few seconds because we actually, based on our experience, sometimes we thought we had a good fuse, we put it in the car and we still had problems. So what we did, we kept putting money and time into the car when all we had to do actually test the fuse and find out that actually is a bad fuse. Sometimes it's not so obvious that the fuse is burned. So I'll put a link to a video that explains how to test the fuse in just a few seconds. Also, if you need to buy replacement fuse for a good price, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. When you are ready, all you have to do, get here, push it in, install it, and you're ready to go guys, practically like that. Don't forget to put your cover back on, and this is it. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.